there are two different types of sequences, arithmetic and geometric. For this video, we're going to talk about arithmetic sequences. And the way to determine if something's arithmetic or geometric is arithmetic sequences go from one number to the next by adding and subtracting a common difference, as it's called, like adding 2 to each term and going on. A geometric has to do with multiplication and division. We'll see that on a different slide. This one's arithmetic. So for the first problem here is they find the common difference. They want to know what number are we adding and subtracting by to get to the next term, and it's the same common difference that you add or subtract to get to each consecutive term. And it's very simple to do this. A very easy way to do this is you just take the second term minus the first term. And so that's going to be 6 minus 3 equals 3. So the common difference, we use the letter D, is 3. And you can check that by just kind of looking at the problem. We start at 3, add 3 to get 6, add 3 to get 9, add 3 to get 12, add 3 to get 15, add 3 to get 18. So you just add 3 every time. Our second example, the common difference we'd get by doing second minus first. That's 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So you can think of it as adding negative 2 to each term or subtracting 2 to each term. Find the 50th term of an arithmetic sequence. So you can do this out the long way. We start with 12, 15, 18. You see that the common difference here, which you do need, if you do second minus first, 15 minus 12 is 3. So I could just keep adding 3 until I get to my 50th term, but that's going to take quite a while. So we have a formula that we use. And a to the n is what term you're looking for. So that's going to be a to the 50, means the 50th term, is equals a to the 1, your first term, and that's 12, first term of the sequence, plus your n minus 1. We want the 50th term, so that's n. Minus 1 would be 49 times the common difference we found before to be 3, and we get that from second minus first. And so you need to type into your calculator. Hold on, let me just get my calculator up and running. 49 times 3. Take a moment. Here we are. 49 times 3 is 147, and we're going to add 12 to that. So 147 plus 12 gives us 159. So the 50th term of this sequence is 159. Just want to check that again. Yeah, 159. So a to the 50 equals 159. Let me do one more example of this real quick. Find the 23rd term of the arithmetic sequence. So first we need the common difference, and if I do second minus first, 2 minus 8 is negative 6. And so a to the 23rd, our first term, 8, plus 22, because it's n minus 1. We want the 23rd term, that means n is 23, and this, if you remember our formula, is n minus 1. And you multiply that n minus 1, 22, by negative 6. So I'm going to type into my calculator 22 times negative 6. And that's going to give me a negative number, and plus 8 is negative 124. So my 23rd term is negative 124.